Hey everybody, we've been having some issues in the rose garden here, and it just broke my heart when, if you look at this bush here, we've had some icky issues. And I think what it is it's one of those rose slugs, like a rose slug larvae, that's starting to infest things. And I just tried putting neem oil on the plants, and I'm crossing fingers that this works. I don't have a lot of experience with this. If you have advice, let me know. But I want to show you what I'm seeing. So this here is our circle paver garden. There's Miss Allie Doodle. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 12 rose bushes total. It's symmetrical where there's 6 on this side and 6 on that side. I really love it. It's one of my favorite parts of the garden. And eventually I want to get roses all the way to the back. And this year, these bushes, these red ones, really struggled. And this one has not come back. I'm pretty sure it's gone. This one I thought was gone. But look, we have some growth that just came in this week. I really love the roses. They're one of my favorites. I feel like they are the diamond of any garden. They're so worth it. They work really hard. I just adore them. But I was super disappointed to see this bush, which is a gorgeous, huge yellow rose bush. It had these big blooms last year. It has just been decimated. Look at this. There are no leaves. They have just been eaten off. And so I'm going, oh my gosh, what the heck's happening? And then over there, because this is symmetrical, there is a yellow bush there too that matches this one. And that one had the same symptoms. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I figured, gosh, something's eating them. I need to figure out some sort of insecticide solution. I realized I had neem oil in the garage. So I started to put it on this, and I could see this rose is starting to get eaten on. And check this out. That right there is our culprit. According to my research, I'm not an expert at all. I'm trying to learn here. That is what I believe is called a rose slug, and it's the larvae, like the early young version of them. And they are all over. These little jerks are eating my roses. Can't tell is, okay, since I applied it, what, a day and a half ago? I came back out here last night and they're all sitting here still. They're not moving. And, they're still not moving this morning here. So I'm kind of like, well, are they dead or are they just sleeping? I hope that I got them. I really have no idea. I also sprayed everybody else, just hoping that this does the trick. So crossing fingers. If you have any tips, let me know. Just trial and error, and I'm determined to save my rose bushes because I love them way too much. And this is my first time really battling insects in the garden, so wish me luck.